So good results from Alphabet, but you find that Google has raised its capex to as much as $52 billion, further additions. Its cloud revenue is up, which is a good sign. You have search revenue is also good, and all these have been income accretive. But the biggest problem that Google will be facing is so much of capex. Once a very cash-rich company is now facing a problem of having to deal with increasing capex on AI-related tools. Tesla earnings also similar, not quite meeting its forecasts, and its cash flow rapidly declining. So that's also not very good news. All these coming after hours in the U.S. markets. In addition, you had good results coming in from IBM, but they have reduced their forecast for the whole calendar year, and that combined with an earlier profit warning is now not sounding good for the software stocks. So this can have an impact on software stocks in Asia as they look forward to opening on Thursday, which is the 23rd of July 2026. We have a scenario where United States is struggling to grapple with a war with Iran, which seems to be gathering pace, but mounting casualties are also something that needs to be looked into. In addition to the Strait of Hormuz, the Red Sea is now in trouble. The various agitators are looking to blockade ships coming out of Saudi Arabia. And this is something which is also going to turn out to be another choke point for commercial shipping, for the movement of oil tankers, LPG tankers, and that's not very good news for the world financial markets and commodity markets. You will see oil and gas going up further. Silver, I had predicted in my groups that it would go up, and in just a space of 1 week, it has gone up from $55 to $61. And so is gold, but silver has been on a faster upswing. In India, we see a situation where there are protests rising over agitations by students over the leakage of the NEET medical examination newspaper, and that is carrying a lot of weight, and there's a pressure on the government now to act and do something about it. All this is not very good, because if the government is able to deal with this agitation, which seems to be increasing by the day, then it's a good thing. Otherwise, this can lead and can bring about instability in the political arena, and that can have wide range repercussions on the Indian stock markets. So all in all, we have a scenario where the geopolitical situation continues to be very messy. We have individual countries having to grapple with various problems. Now, India, in addition to all this, is also going to be having to deal with higher tariffs if they are announced by President Trump. And Jamieson Greer, the US trade representative, had some words of warning to say last 2 days back. And even in his testimony to the Congress today, he had very similar words of caution. So something to be very cautious about over the next several days. I think the markets can be under some sort of pressure. That does not mean that every day and every hour will be, but generally the pressure could be increasing. And to get to know more about the Indian markets, you may WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044 and join any of our Telegram groups. For the US markets, you can WhatsApp us on 732-732-2720 and join our Prime Plus Telegram group, which gives you predictions about the US markets over the next few days, weeks and months. And I think it's going to be a sensational period. The rest of 2026 will be an exceptionally sensational period and bringing out tremendous opportunities for both trading and investments. So, but you need to be very smart, you need to be quick, and you need to know the game that you're playing before it actually is played. So look forward to hearing from you. Take care. God bless you. Have a great rest of the investing week. Take care. Bye-bye.